these are the finches, the champion finches, best in show, etc. Wow. Look at that zebra finch. That's really beautiful. Best zebra finch mutation. Gorgeous. Aww. There's a cute little owl finch. It's adorable. Australian finch. Oh, nice. And this is it's a bullfinch, I believe. A bullfinch. Best European finch you got. Very nice. Oh. And here's some Gouldings. Everybody's got some trophies. Nice green singer. And that's a shaft tail. A Goulding. Let's see what else is in here. This one. Oh, I can't remember the name of this bird, but I've seen him before. Very pretty. There's another zebra finch. Best zebra finch this one got. And here's another zebra finch. And there you got the myna bird. It looks like he won best in show, best soft bills, best finch. Some more zebras down there. Best young finch. Oh, I don't know what kind that is. Very pretty. Oh, that looks like a parrot finch. Very nice. Goulding. Oh, and there's a Java finch. Very pretty. And there's the best lovebird right here. And this is Pippy Pets, Indian ringneck. She won best medium parrot and best young hookbill in show. That's Pippy Pets. I'll put her link in my description. You can check out her channel. And this is beautiful. The best cockatiel. Beautiful cockatiel. Very nice. And there is another cockatiel and another lovebird. And this actually is the best large parrot. It's an African gray. Beautiful. That's large parrot. Hi, buddy. There's some winners in the canary section. Lots of winners and awards.
Wow, so many winners, so many champions, and such beautiful birds. I want to thank you for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, looking at all these beautiful birds. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.